finally. Got myself a trigger. Nice one too. He's coming home. These freaking things are just too hard to catch to not keep them. Beautiful fish. They are really one of the coolest fish I think we have around here. As far as cool looking. Nice little fillets out of that. The other day we let go a small one, and after I filleted the big one, I was realizing get a good sized fillet out of them big ones. So even the small ones we'll get a nice little fillet out of. So I'll keep a few as I catch them, and then we'll see how that goes. So what I'm using here is high-low rigs that I made myself. They similar to a Bluefish rig. I think my hooks are a little bit bigger than a Bluefish rig. Use a little bead, so it's just 2 dropper loops, and the hooks I use are O'Shaughnessy beak hooks. And right now I'm using a 2-ounce sinker to hold bottom. Probably could get away with a 1, but these are already on this rod, so I'm just dropping it to the bottom and kind of dead sticking it, you know, waiting for the bite and trying to set the hook. A lot of small, little tiny fish down here, like little sea bass and bergals and such, so a lot of bait stealing. Really? Unbelievable. I hooked a damn horseshoe crab. How the heck am I gonna get that off? Oh, there we go. Well, if this don't pick up soon, we're going to have to make a move and change modes. Yeah. Anybody want it? No?
No, thank you.
Nice bluefish. Okay, into another one here. Could be a shad. Either a shad or a really small blue. Maybe not. Like a shad and a blue. Yep. Double header. Come on out. Come on. Not bad. You want it? You keeping them? You want it? No, I'm gonna throw them back so you can have them. Got them?
Thank you.